Daily routines don't stop when you're recovering from a motor vehicle accident. Tasks like mowing the lawn or cleaning can quickly pile up if a serious injury prevents you from keeping up. That's where the housekeeping and home maintenance benefit comes in, to help cover the cost of hiring someone to assist with essential household chores. You are eligible for this benefit if you are injured in a motor vehicle accident and unable to maintain your home. Coverage includes reasonable expenses for cleaning and home maintenance services. Ontario Auto Insurance groups injuries into 3 categories based on severity: minor, non-catastrophic, and catastrophic. Here's how the housekeeping and home maintenance benefit applies in each case. If you have a minor short-term injury, such as mild sprains or bruises, people usually manage their regular routines without outside help, so this benefit typically does not apply. If you have this benefit and experience a serious but non-catastrophic injury or a life-altering catastrophic injury, which prevents you from performing household tasks for an extended time, the benefit may provide up to $100 per week to help keep your household running. The housekeeping and home maintenance benefit offers meaningful support when daily routines become a challenge. By taking care of the essentials at home, this coverage gives you one less thing to worry about as you recover from your injuries. Learn more about accident benefits by exploring our website or reach out to your agent or broker.